What's going on, produce people? Back with the Landrace Pepper Project update. We got some of these peppers that are ripe back here. That's what they look like. I'm not real happy with the size, but hopefully the flavor's there, and it's definitely red. Good deal, good deal. But we do have quite a few more that's coming on here. Here's the Jimmy Nardellos. After harvesting that other red pepper off of here, we got 3 more coming. And I think there was a bloom over there last I seen it. We'll do a taste test on some of these ones that are ripe here in a minute. This one, I believe, is the Emerald Green Giant. Still super ecstatic with the structure of the plant. That red one's finally getting, this one pepper back here is finally starting to ripen up, and it's red. So we'll probably save seed from this one depending on flavor profile. And we got this guy. This one's looking really good. That pepper's sizing up really nice down there. Nice little bell pepper banana hybrid shape. And I've also come to the conclusion on this next plant. I'll just wait till the next plant. We'll move on to the next one. This one seems to be super productive. It's starting to branch out really good and looking good. Got a bunch more flowers popping up on there. We got some rain recently. We'll see how this one goes. I'm really liking the way this pepper looks. This one is the chocolate whatever. Haven't seen any new peppers forming on this one yet. We do now finally have some blooms after getting that rain, thankfully. They're forming right in there. Got a couple more over there. It's looking good. Really healthy looking plant for being in the midst of a 90-something degree drought. These mulch rains are really doing them a favor. This guy has made me change my mind on the notes section. I think as long as they start yellow and go orange, they're okay. But if they're green and go to orange, it's unacceptable. Like this one down here is ready. Yeah, this one's really productive, really nice looking plant, really nice amount of production, healthy through the drought, doing good. This one right here's big boys now, finally producing some more peppers on it. It's got 2 or 3 there. I'm pretty sure these are gonna ripen to red. We'll have to wait and see, but as long as those peppers don't have a problem like the last ones did, get real sun scorched, we'll be good to go. Yeah. Moving on to the final plant. Final plant. There will be no seed saving from this one. Starts out green and ripens orange. Unacceptable. And it's a really small pepper. I'm not really a fan of these super small, snubby types. So, yep, this one will no longer be a seed saving project. It'll be for eating only. We're gonna try these peppers that I harvested. Super banana flavor, banana type, like banana pepper type. A little fruity on the back end. Super juicy. I'm not really into raw peppers that much, but past 2 years I've been liking them through this Landrace project. So that one, we'll definitely be saving seeds off of this guy. I know I said I didn't want to save orange seeds, but this one starts out yellow and I can tell when it's ripe. It's when it's green that I can't tell, so. Try this other one. I don't know what flavor, what type this is, but interesting. Super sweet. More fleshy, less skin. Pretty good. Hopefully seeds from that guy too. Cool deal. Ooh, that's even almost got like a flavor that should be a spicy pepper, but it's not. Yeah, that would be really good, like dried and smoked, or that's a good one. I like that. Got one more still left inside. We'll go grab that. And then we got the final Jimmy Nardellos. Man, that's so good. This is what I picture of, like, I don't know what it's used for. It's an Italian roasting pepper. You know the ones you get at the grocery store? They're like roasted and put in oil. That's what this gives me the idea of. It's almost sweet like a fruit, but it would go really good, like, I don't know, fried, soaked in oils with some chilies, and put in like a sauce. Yep, the Jimmy Nardellos is a favorite. This is gonna make the second pepper I've saved seeds from, so from the Jimmy Nardellos at least. So it'll be a good amount of the population going forward. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out, produce people.